Hello, I'm going to go over this worksheet, Climate Comparison Graphing, Ocean Currents. Now what we want to look at is we're looking at two different cities. We're going to make a climatogram, which I'm going to show you here in a moment. But climatograms look at two things. They look at temperature of each month, average temperatures, and they look at rainfall for each month down here at the bottom. We're going to look at two different cities, Norfolk, Virginia, and San Francisco, California. And the reason we're doing this is because we're going to see that these two cities are on the same latitude. So being on the same latitude, they should have similar climates, but they don't because they're both on the water, and the ocean plays a big part in the climate of an area. So even though Norfolk and San Francisco are on the same latitude, they have two different currents. San Francisco has a cold current that comes by it, and Norfolk has a warm current that comes by it. Now, because of that, we're going to see that they have a different climate graph. Now, I've already got my graph set up back here, and I'll show you. So month, we have month January through December. And on your graph, you can take a look at this, pause this if you need to. I've got January through December on the bottom here. And I'm going to do Norfolk, Virginia up here, San Francisco, California down here. My temperature is in Fahrenheit, and I have temperatures for each month. I have a high and a low. So this is the high temperature, this is the low temperature. And you're going to put temperature along the side, 0 to 100. And then on the other side, so this has got two pieces of information. You've got rain in inches from 0 to 10 inches. And I've got my rainfall down here at the bottom. The way we're going to graph this, you can see for January, I'm going to use rainfall. I'm going to use this bar, so 3.40. And the way I figure out 3.40, because the rain is over here, 3.40, that's about there. Let's look at the rain for February. Rain for February is 3.12. So February, 3.12 is right about there. So I'm going to say like this. I'm going to shade that in. Now for February, because I've already done January, what are the temperatures? I've got 52. February, 52 is, there's 50, so 52 is maybe right about here. I'm putting it right in the middle of this column. And the low temperature is 33. So 33 for a low is probably right about here. Let's do March. March has rainfall of 3.68. So 3.68 is maybe right about there. That is my rainfall, is the bar. And then my line graphs are going to be for the temperature. So 59 degrees in March. 59 degrees is the high, and the low is 40. So that's right on the 40 line. And you're going to do that all the way across for Norfolk. You'll do the same thing down here for San Francisco with the San Francisco data. And then when you're done, ideally you're going to use colored pencil here. Like the high temperature should be in red, right? That makes sense. And the low temperature should be in blue. And you'll connect, if you can, with those colored pencils, you'll connect the dots. And you're going to get this average for both these cities. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you very much.